So today I'm going to be talking about medicinal vinegars. Now, vinegar has been used for thousands of years to extract medicinal properties and to preserve herbs. It's a really stable medium and something that everyone would have had access to reasonably easily. So, with medicinal vinegar, we use a similar principle to when we've been using alcohol and when we've been using oil to extract things. So it's covering the material and then leaving usually for a month. Now with a vinegar, they will stay potent for about 6 months to a year, so they're not as long lasting as, for example, tinctures, which you can have for 5 to 10 years. But it is very stable once you've got it. So once you've strained the material out, it doesn't mould very easily. I mean, unless you really put it somewhere warm and then put it somewhere cold several times. So it's a safe remedy to keep in the kitchen, and this really is a kitchen remedy that I'm going to be talking about. So this is what is known as a fire cider. Now, that's an American term, and we don't actually use cider in it. It's called cider because it is often made with cider vinegar. This one I've actually used with white wine vinegar, and that's absolutely fine. You can use either of those. Really are the best ones to use. Don't go down the white vinegar route or the balsamic vinegar route because it's just not very nice to use in this way. So a white wine vinegar or a cider vinegar is your best bet. Now, for this remedy, it uses whatever you happen to have in the kitchen. So in this one, I've got garlic, which has been peeled and chopped. I've got chili, which has been peeled and chopped. Yeah. And I've got white onion in there that's just been peeled and chopped up. I've got some ginger, which you don't need to actually bother peeling. You can just chop it up and put it in. And in this one, I'm using allspice berries. Now you can use any whole spice or whole seed that is aromatic that you like and you have in the kitchen, for example, fennel, caraway, those types of seeds. Now all of those things have fantastic antibacterial and antiviral properties, and that's what we're trying to extract in this vinegar. So this is what's often thought of as a winter remedy, something that can help with colds and flus, be taken as a preventative as well as during a cold and flu type condition. Now this, once you've made it and then strained it and then you can bottle it, you will be taking 1 to 2 teaspoons, where you can take it several times a day during a cold and flu. And as a preventative, it would be about half a teaspoon. That's 2.5 mils in new money, as a preventative during winter. Now this is a very safe remedy. It does not have interactions with anything. It's completely edible. So it is going to be fiery, hence its name, but it is giving you those antibacterial, antiviral and immune boosting, what they're often termed as immune boosting properties. So it's a really cheap, easy remedy that everyone can get hold of and have a go at. And the key thing is you make it with whatever you happen to have in your kitchen. So if you don't have chili, but you've got thyme and rosemary and fennel and you want to use those, and you've got turmeric and you want to use that, that's absolutely fine. You can put in it whatever you want. Usually it does have something fiery in it, so either a chili or a horseradish or an awful lot of garlic. Something that is, and obviously ginger. All of these things are they're often called pungent aromatics, and they really pack a punch, and that's what's really needed in this remedy. So have a go. I'll put a little bit of a list of the ingredients of the things that you can try on the screen of things to have a go at in your fire cider. But really, sky's the limit. You can put as many ingredients in there as you want, or as few as you want. If you prefer that you're just going to go with onion and garlic because that's all you've got and that's what you want, then you can do that. If you then decide that you want to put everything from your spice cabinet in it, then you can do that as well. So definitely give it a go. This one will be ready in about a month, and I am looking forward to being able to use it in the coming winter season. If you have any questions, put them in the comments section. Have you tried this remedy? What ingredients have you tried? Pop them there so everyone can see. Okay. And don't forget to subscribe.